everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chumi here, and I trust that you all are doing okay. This channel is for all-round beauty, makeup, hair, lifestyle, and all of that. So if it sounds like something that you will be interested in, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you. The phone that I have been using before now to film just started giving me problems. I'll just be making my videos and it will go off. So I wasn't having it. I needed to get another phone quickly, and I do not have a camera. So all my videos I make using my phone. And right now I'm actually filming using my sister's phone. And there are other things I will also want to share with you. Okay, so let's go straight into the unboxing. This is the Samsung Galaxy A31. Okay, so yes, so okay. Yes, this is really beautiful. This is the front, the back. It's beautiful. Okay, and this is the charger it came with, and the earpiece. Okay, it also came with this transparent pouch here, and this is the manual it came with. Okay, so I'm just going to talk briefly about the phone, and the color is this prism crash blue. I actually wanted another color apart from blue because this is my old phone. This is my old phone from Hawaii, so it's blue. So I wanted something different, but I couldn't get another color, so I just had to settle for this prism crash blue. And the phone is actually Android 10. The Android is 10, and you can see the camera. The main camera, which is this one, is 48 megapixel, and the selfie camera is 20 megapixel. Yeah, and the battery is actually, the battery capacity is 5,000 capacity. Let me power it. So this is the power button, so let me just power it. Yes, so this is the menu, and it's looking really colorful, so I really love it. It's beautiful. So the phone is actually a dual SIM phone, meaning it uses 2 SIM cards. And also the storage capacity of the phone is 4/128 gig. So I really need storage because of the videos that I make. So I think that is it for the phone. I really love it. It's really beautiful. Yes, it's really beautiful. There are other things I want to share with you all that I got, and they all came as a gift. And I love all of them so much. And the first one that I will be sharing with you is a body wash. Yes, it's the CN body wash, and this one is the pink grapefruit. Yes, it comes in different fruit types. I know I have used the one that is kind of green in color. I think that is mint and lime also, and it came out really well. It lathered well. It smells really good. So it says it's a shower gel, and it says pink grapefruit and it says for a refreshing start to your day. So this is really beautiful. It is the CN body wash, so I love this a lot. Yes, like I said, these things I'm sharing with you, they actually came as a gift. And then there's another body wash. Yes, and this one is by Dove. It says renewing glow with pink clay. Yes, so this one is a body wash, and it is from Dove. I love it. It's beautiful. I started using this one, and it smells really well. It's It smells really, really well. It lathers well. Feels so soft. It's not harsh at all. It's so mild. I love it a lot. It says skin natural moisturizers body wash. Okay, so Dove. This is by Dove. It's beautiful. I love it. So the next thing is this body spray, and it's two actually. Yes, it's two, and it's Impulse. It says it's Impulse, very pink. Yes, Impulse, very pink to body spray. I love it a lot. You know, they all came in as a gift. Yes, and I'm so happy. You know, yes, I'm so happy, and yes, it smells really well, really, really well. So yeah, beautiful. I love the body. I love it. It's colorful, very, very beautiful. So it's Impulse, very pink, and I love pink as well. Yes. So the next one I'm going to be sharing with you is a perfume, and this is what it looks like. It's Dekni. It says Dekni Women Edition. I hope I got this correctly. So let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love it. Wow, I love the bottle. This is so beautiful, and it says Dekni Women. Yes, Dekni Women. This is so nice. And it smells well. It smells so nice. Oh wow. I love it. I love it a lot. This is beautiful. You know, I am super, super grateful for these gifts. I love them all. Wow. Okay, I have two left, and these two, they're actually my favorite. That's why I had to save them for the last. Now look at this. It's a bracelet. This is beautiful. I love the color. It's this raspberry gold. It's so simple. I love it a lot, a lot. And then the last one is a wristwatch. Now look at this. It's so beautiful. Like, it's so, so beautiful. It is also a raspberry gold. Okay, so now just take a look at these two. It's just, you know, beautiful. I love the both of them a lot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put them on so you see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so I have them on now, and you can see how it's looking. You would agree with me that this is beautiful. I love it. I love it a lot. I love it. So that is it. And with this, I have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave me your comments, and let me know if you have used any of these products, you know, before: the shower gel, the body spray, and the perfume. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye.